Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am hiking at the Lewisville Lake LLELA Nature Preserve area. And wow, that was such a long title. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm here in Lewisville about to do a quick morning hike. It's a beautiful Sunday morning and the sun is out. I keep looking over there because I saw some deer over there, and for some reason I feel like they're gonna like pop up behind me or something. But that's why I keep looking over there. Thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all of my wonderful hiking adventures. So right now I am looking at the trail post over here. I'm probably gonna hike the Cottonwood and Cicada trails. We'll see how it looks, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all on this hike. So let's get hiking. I wonder if those deer are going to like pop up again. I saw them over there, which is surprising. I've never seen deer before. This is actually my second time here, so it'd be interesting to see some deer again. Apparently there is a lot of birds here. It says they've seen about 280 species of birds. Wow. And I guess depending on which season it is, those are the kind of birds that you'll see. So right now we're in winter, so that means birds that nest further north will stay here for the winter. So I guess these are the birds that would be here during the winter. This trail is very informative, which I love. I feel like this is a great place to bring your family. Like if you have kids, I would definitely bring kids if I have them out here to just learn about like this whole area, and just a great way to introduce your kids to nature. I think this is definitely a place you should check out. The last time I hiked here, I hiked along the Blackjack Trail and some of the other trails. I think this one was closed at that time too because they were doing construction, but it's nice to check out another trail, and it's so nice here. Like, I don't know why I don't come here more, but I'm definitely going to. It does cost $5 to come here, so you do have to pay. It's a $5 fee, but it's definitely worth it. There's like a little baby waterfall down there. You probably can hear it. It's like right there. It's so cute. It's just like a little baby waterfall. The water is definitely flowing over here. I wish I could go down there closer, but I think they put this fence here for a reason. Because they probably don't want you to go down there, and it is pretty steep, so if I do go down there, getting up would be very tough. So I'll just look at it from here. I am now hiking along the Redbud Trail. I think this one takes you down to the river, but we shall see. It's really muddy over here though, so I'm just gonna have to be careful where I step. But it's getting warmer outside. Today is supposed to be a beautiful day. It's Super Bowl weekend. Today is the Super Bowl, so I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of people going places to watch the Super Bowl. This is actually going to be the first year that I actually watched the Super Bowl, I think since like college, if I remember correctly. But yeah, thought I'd get this morning hike done first. Made it out to the river area, and as you can see, it is pretty dry, not a lot of water, but I feel like in the spring it probably has a lot more water. I'm gonna walk over to this side so I can have another look to see what it looks like. There is a campground in this area, actually. I think you can camp here, which is also pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of my wonderful hiking adventures. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends and your family, and I will see y'all on the next hike.